How's it going, everyone? It is Reversal Trader King, where I catch you guys bottoms and tops in the stock market, and I cannot let this go unnoticed. It is JAGX. Everyone's hyped about it. It has so much freaking volume coming in. We have 142 million volume on May 3rd, and then we have 184 million. This thing is getting nice volume. I just want to show you guys just my system. I'm going to show you no bias. It's not what I think is going to happen. It's what the system tells me and how the system has been over 95% accurate in doing trend reversals, swing trading strategies, and how I'm going to show you how to do an uptrend strategy and how you do the downtrend strategy with JAGX. You guys are going to love it. And also, guys, please stay tuned, watch the whole video, and we do have a premium Discord of only 20 cents a day or $6 a month to be a profitable trader, and I guarantee you will. And we have other things like day trading that's coming in soon. Lots of good stuff. The link down below if you want to join my premium Discord and be a professional trader like I have done I've been doing this for over 10 years, but this strategy specifically for over 6 years, it's the only strategy that makes me profitable. Other strategies, the curve is up and down, and I eventually lose. This strategy, I'm telling you, you're gonna like it. So we have JAGX, massive volume. I got to talk about it because I want to be the person that really helps people, and I just don't want to just pump people up and say it's going up, and keep buying and buying it. You want to be realistic, right? So in this strategy, we have identified a bottom reversal right here on January 16, 2024. The system, how it works is when you don't touch the EMA 10, which is this yellow band, in quite some time, price tends to go up to it, and same with the EMA 20. If you don't touch the EMA 20 in some time, price will touch it. That's the most important thing to remember. Price has to touch the EMA 10 and 20. And when you're in downtrend stocks, you want to make sure you have plenty of room to the upside to hit the 10 and the 20 to make massive money. If you're buying right here when price leaves the EMA 10 right off the bat, you're at a huge disadvantage. You never buy when the price is at the EMA in 10 and 20. You never do. It's like flipping a coin on earnings. You're hoping price will make an uptrend and go right here. You want to see what price is doing first. If I was going to trade an uptrend, I want to see price test and hold the EMA 10 and 20 and go up. All right, there's plenty of examples of that's how to trade an uptrend. But when you're trading a downtrend and you're trying to catch a bottom reversal, there's massive money to be made. There's reason why people want to try to get in early, and that's the type of trader I am, because you can make massive money. So we know we had to hit the EMA 10 and 20. We hit the EMA 10 right in here. There's massive time distance. Anything that doesn't hit the EMA 10 in a month is very long. So when we have price that goes down and gets very close to the bottom band, we know this is a buy zone along with the low K on the KDJ. And what does price do? We go from 8 cents all the way up to 11 or 12 cents right here, making massive returns. Price has to hit the EMA 20. It wants to do it the next day. Goes all the way to 14 cents, almost 100% gain from the low. We try to make, in my rolls, I make 10%. I scale out, and then 3/4 of my share, and then I hold the 1/4 of my share to the EMA 20, because you want to walk in the games. You never know when the market will go up right in here. It can go straight back down to the lower band. You just never know. Always take those gains and pull in. Another bottom reversal was right in here. It gets to the bottom band. Guess what it does? It hits the EMA 10 and 20 all in one candle and then sells off. And that's why you take those gains, because it could keep going down. But in this case, it goes way up to this upper band. This is what I want to talk about, because this is what's most relevant, right? We have a sell zone. This is a massive sell zone. Buyers cannot sustain it, and it is even harder for penny stocks to sustain this, right? Do keep that in mind. It is a lot harder even for penny stocks. So we have a sell zone when it hits this band right in here. I'm going to hit a line. You can see if I can get a line here. Arrows. This is a massive sell zone. So we're going to put this right here on the red band. You never want to buy when a price is going over there. So do keep that in mind, guys. So the price goes down, and it's same thing with the inverse. If price goes away from the EMA 10 and 20, it has to go back, but we don't know when the time frames. We never trade a trade that's just left the EMA 10 and 20. due to that fact it could keep magneting to that. So do keep that in mind, right? But as you can see, price goes right here. The best trades, in my opinion, is when, like right in here, we have a lot of time distance that has not hit the EMA 10, so it makes you more confident that it will. And when I say time distance, right here is 1 day of not hitting the EMA 10. It's away from it 2 days, 3 days, 4 days, 5 days a week. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then this is 2 weeks. Every 5 days is a week, right? So we have the current data right here. It's just been going up. We have the bands correcting up like this, making an uptrend. And that's what I said. If I take this trade, I want to see this EMA 10 hold and we go up to an uptrend. And that's what happened here. We had the EMA 10 touch right in here because price has to touch it. What you want to see is healthy corrections. Go up, touch the EMA 10, make a newer high, go hit the upper band because they can't sustain it. Guess what it does? Hits the EMA 10. And guess what it does again? It goes up and makes a new uptrend. And it hits right here into another sell zone. This is beautiful. You know, this hypes me up to see this. Like, you can't make this up. This is absolutely amazing. We hit the upper band to a T. Nobody could do this as precise. Algos did it to a T and hit it. And we get a nice sell zone. Now, how do we want to trade this? How would you like to trade this? As I've been telling you, you wait for the EMA 10 touch, and you want to make sure you get one right here, a lower wick right in here going up, because that tells you it is very bullish and it's forming the uptrend. Just like this, we hit this EMA 10, and then we go up and we start forming that next thing. But you don't want to get in where it's hitting this upper band, right? Would I take this trade? I'm a little scared. At this level, no, I would not take the trade right in here, right? Definitely wouldn't take the trade right in here because it's at a key level where we're at a sell zone, right? I'm going to copy this, put it right here. Yeah, we're at a sell zone. So this right here is a no bueno. If you wanted to take it, it would have to be right here at this EMA 10 platform, but it's going to fluctuate a little, so somewhere right there on that platform. So do keep that in mind. If you guys didn't see this and you're like, oh, I just want to hurry up and get a JAGX, it's important to see this stuff because you're going to want to know what is a good buy, when it's not. But people that don't see this, you're just looking at this and you're just like, oh, wow, I want to get in. I don't want to have FOMO because it went from all the way down here from 5 cents and we've just been going up and up and up and up, and there's no stopping this. This thing will be stopped. Do keep that in mind. The whole show will end, as we can see, as you can see, this has just been a downtrending stock forever. I mean, look at this. This thing has been atrocious, but there's plenty of money to be made. You just want to have the right entries, right? So do keep in mind, I am not trying to pump it at this level. I do think it pulls back for sure. And you guys know me. I want to see the EMA 20 touch because here's the thing. We know the EMA 20's got to get touched. It hasn't got touched yet. It touched the EMA 10. And look at this big thing. I think we're going to get a nice correction. A pretty big correction down here, around 18 cents maybe, but it's going to correct. So I would say about 20 cents at 20, 22. I would say right in here it's going to correct and then goes down. So you got to be really careful, guys. Do not chase. Look at the system. This system has over 95% win ratio. If you want to trade uptrends, it can do it. If you want to trade downtrends, I showed you how we trade downtrends. We look for the price near the lower band. We shoot up to the EMA 10 and 20. We take profit. We go down here. It goes to the lower band. Shoots up to the EMA 10 and 20. You take profit. And you rinse, repeat, rinse, repeat. Uptrends can be a little harder for penny stocks because they usually don't stay in an uptrend. I like to do the uptrend strategy on bigger cap stocks. But if you're going to scalp this, day trade it or whatever, buy it right here at the EMA 20 because you know it's going to touch the EMA 20. Wait for this pullback on this line right here. We touch the EMA 10 a lot, but as you can see, every price in history will hit the EMA 20. It doesn't matter what stock it is. You know, EMA 20 here, price hits it way up over here, right in here, but it will hit it. But there's going to be some stocks that are more stubborn, but anything in 2 months that don't hit it is pretty rare, right? Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys want to join one of the best Discords in the nations for an all-time low cost, for a limited time offer, I'm making this deal for the first come, first serve of only 20 cents a day to get my exact entries and exits, my system, my indicators, how to set them up, everything you need to be successful that I took over 6 years developing. I'm trying to make it as cheap as possible so everyone could join for only 20 cents or $6 a day. And then I have other services that I'm going to include for the more advanced traders and for everyone to come in. There's every type of system for a trader. If you decide to join, what you want to do is go down below into the YouTube comments, click on the link down below that says join the premium Discord for my favorite trades. When you click that link, it'll take you into the Discord, and it'll take you into this free chat. What you want to do in the free chat is go to the subscriptions tab. This doesn't mean you're subscribed. You can see right here this big blue banner here that Samuel5716 subscribed because he paid the $6 a month. So what you want to do is hit the premium chat, and you'll be opted in to subscribe for only 20 cents a day. And you put your info in, and you get my exact RTK swing trades, which are mine, education videos, and all that good stuff. And what we're adding to in the near future is day trades on how to be very successful with over, those 80% win ratios on momentum trades, because that way when you're waiting on swing trades, you can get into those fast day trades. So we're going to add a service in that too for you guys. And that'll be a little extra, but get into the swing trades, dip your toes in, and you're going to want to know how successful this is. A lot of this stuff is, did you put the time in? Did you watch my education videos? And if you did, anything in life comes with time and education. And if you're willing to learn off of my mistakes, and I'm pretty sure you can be very successful. You don't want to just get into the pond and make the mistakes on your own. Learn from other people's mistakes and make massive money. Because I want you guys to be freaking rich, guys. I'm telling you, this Discord, over 90% of people lose in trading. There is a way to be the top 10% of traders where you're taking money from the losers and you're making consistent money. And don't feel bad about that, because you took the time to come in the Discord and get the training in, while others are just looking at JAGX and they're like, okay, it's going to the moon, I'm just going to buy it right in here. When you know this is not a good buy signal, you know to wait till the EMA 20 if you want to start a position. And with my training, your stop loss will be under the EMA 20, because then the downtrend is happening and you'll get all that education. Hope you guys join the premium Discord. Click the link down below in the YouTube comments and the YouTube description for only 20 cents a day or $6 a month. You will not, you're going to love it, guys. Also, guys, give this video a like, subscribe, comment. Any type of engagement helps the video spread out to other people. If you know something about JAGX and you want to share it, put it in the comments. I have no, I love hearing people communicate about stocks. I live and breathe stocks. I'm looking at stocks, researching stocks. I want to find you guys the best picks, and that's why I developed this Discord. And I hope you guys do take the time to join. I'll see you guys there, and peace out. Let's make some money.